it's your girl Tymarrahgi, and I'm back with another video. Today we are going to be working with Geniuswigs. So the box is kind of open, sorry, but this is the wig. This is the company Geniuswigs, and thank you for sending me this hair. So inside the box, it came with a wig cap, you guys, like the regular wig cap, the adjustable strap that you put like in the back of your hair to make your wig tighter, and then y'all, they gave me a whole pack of masks. Like, it's Corona time. They love me. Don't play with it, okay? Period. So this is the HD undetectable lace. So I did like the lace. The lace was very, 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 very good and stretchy, and it was just everything I could ask for with lace. And I tinted the lace with my Even New York tinted lace spray. So this is the spray that I always use. If you guys watch my videos, you know I always use that spray. So I sprayed that on the hair, I let it dry, and then I went ahead and applied the wig. And I'm going to show you guys my ball cap method and everything. It's very, very simple. So yes, let's get started with this install.
Okay, you guys, so I did pluck the lace just a little bit, but not too much. It did already come plucked, but you know, I added a little bit to it. So these are the stockings that I use for my ball cap method. It's very ultra sheer, so I don't even have to put makeup on it. It's very easy. All I do is I put my lace glue on the cap, and then I dry it, and then I start the install process. And you can find these tights maybe on Amazon, but I got these from my local beauty supply store, so I think all beauty supply stores should have these tights. I'm using my bold hold lace glue right here. I'm going to use a different lace glue for my actual install. It's because I accidentally forgot I was supposed to be using the other lace glue. So yeah, don't ask me why I use two different glues. It wasn't no specific reason. It's just I forgot to just use one. I said I wasn't going to talk too much for this install, but I just want to say, do you guys see this lace? Like, I really, really, really love the lace. Like, I could not ask for a better lace than this lace. So the glue that I'll be using today is the Esha Fusion Lace Wig Bond. Section sent me this glue along with the remover, so I will be doing a separate video on that. But yes, you guys, I'm just putting this glue on, and I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it, and then we're going to start the whole process, and I'll get back with you guys when we're done. Alright, you guys, so I wanted to show you guys how it looked like all together. But yeah, some cute little curls.
Okay, you guys, so as you guys can see, I did me some little curls and I like kind of brushed them out so they can like kind of wave out the right way. Like they kind of feel a little bit, but it's still cute. I really love this lace. Like the lace was so cute. But one thing about this hair that I didn't like is, as you guys can see, I kind of cut it a little bit, and that's because it was like tangling on me a little bit. But that's like the only flaw I would have with this hair, is that it was tangling a little bit. But yeah, so I kind of like, you know, on my channel we be truthful around here, okay? So I kind of would not recommend this hair if you want like a straight look. And if you want long hair, I would recommend this. You're gonna be mad if you get this long hair and you straightening it and it's not giving you what you need. And I don't want y'all coming at me talking about, so Tymarrahgi, I said that this the best hair in the world and I get it, and now it's like, no. I'm telling y'all now, if you want to do like a straight cute look, don't get this hair. I would say if you do want to get this hair, because the lace is amazing, I would say get this hair in like a shorter length, like probably like a 16. You know, we could work for like a little 18, but that's just for me, like, because when I was trying to part it and stuff, it was so long and it was getting like a little tangly on me. But the hair came out cute though. Like the hair feels good, but like them ends was too tangly for me, so I had to cut them. I really had to cut them. But all in all, this hair is good. Like the lace though, like the lace is really, the lace, if y'all follow me on Instagram, I showed y'all everything. Like the lace is, that's him. The lace is him, okay? The lace is cute. I really like it. I like this little cute little look though, like, And I did kind of cut some layers in the hair a little bit so that it can like frame my face a little bit, since I was doing the side part. I feel like I've been doing the middle part too much. So I was like, you know what? Let me give y'all a side part. So this is cute. I really love it. All links for this hair will be down below. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are on the road to 50K, you guys, so we gonna get it popping. And see you guys later.